To add a form in a dashboard, we will select the form builder from the list of available widgets. Select the data set in which you would like to insert the record. Here we will select the leads and we will add the steppers. First name, and you can select the source either as static or data set. Here you can set the display type as text box, date, time, list box, multi-select, radio, or checkbox. You can set it compulsory or either required or non-required. So we will set it required, and again we will add another row called last name. Here we will not set it required, and we will add another row with city. So next, here we will write the name of the table, lead, next, and then save and exit. Now we'll preview the dashboard. So this way we have successfully added the form on a dashboard.